Hi everyone, Danelle here, and I'm going to go through with you guys a couple of releases that you can do with a tennis or lacrosse ball if you have sciatic pain that is of a muscular origin. Now please go back and take a look at my previous videos. They go through some very key information and also guides you in terms of what you need to do in order to figure out where your pain is coming from and getting the help of a professional to really get you that information so that you're spending your time wisely and working on the right problem. So to jump right in, tennis or lacrosse ball, and we're going to be working on gluteus medius muscle and also the piriformis muscle. So first one up, gluteus medius. You're going to lay onto the table. You can do this sitting on the floor, of course. And sitting in this position, get your hand, place it on your hip, slide down just about 1 inch. Right about that area through the span of your thumb and your index finger lies the gluteus medius muscle. That's where you're starting. You're going to take the tennis ball or the lacrosse ball, place it there, use your hands to regulate your pressure. And you're going to slowly roll forward to the left side and the back, okay? Again, you want to use your hands to regulate your pressure so that you're not dropping your full body weight onto the tennis ball or the lacrosse ball, and you're slowly going through that release. When you feel that muscle release, you take the tennis ball and you move it to another location and then continue, okay? So that's the location of the gluteus medius muscle. Now we're gonna go to the piriformis muscle. For that, you need to lay flat down. So lay flat down on the table. To locate the piriformis muscle, take your hands, place it on your hips, a little bit lower down, where that ball and socket joint is. And if you trace a line all the way across to the back of your pelvis where your sacrum is, that big triangular bone, that's where the piriformis attaches in a straight line, okay? So I'm gonna take the tennis ball, place it right over there, and again, adjust your pelvis so it's on the tennis ball. You can move your pelvis back and forth in that position. You can move your knees back and forth in this position. Knees back and forth may be a bit intense, so you can drop your right pelvis down and then just move the left knee in and out. Over that muscle, you're going to feel a pretty good roll and deep pressure getting into there to release that muscle. When you feel the release, again, shift the tennis ball over to your location and then slowly floss over that tennis ball to get the release that you're looking for, okay? I like to use the tennis ball to get a lot of specific releases. I use usually the foam roller to get a lot more general releases. Sometimes it's better for bigger muscles. This I think is more specific, so I think it does a great job. And then of course you can follow up with some stretches that should be really helpful and beneficial for you. So try this out, see if this is helpful for you, and we'll talk soon.